everyone, welcome to SciSparks. I'm Kristen with the McWane Science Center, and today we're going to be exploring the hidden connection of all living things, including strawberries, my dog, wheat germ, and you. Now, all four of us are types of living things. We are organisms, and organisms have DNA, a genetic material that helps them grow. DNA is short for deoxyribonucleic acid. I'm going to continue calling it DNA because that's a little bit easier. So what does DNA look like? One strand of DNA is too small for us to see with just our eyes. So we need to get a lot of DNA together in one place for us to see it. But DNA is stored inside a cell's nucleus. So we need to stage a break-in safely. Once our strawberries are mashed and our wheat germ is measured out, we can begin removing the DNA from the plant cells. We'll need hot water, soap, salt, and plant cells. In this case, strawberries and wheat germ. For our wheat germ, we're going to add it to some hot water and shake vigorously for 3 minutes. Once that's done, we'll add a little bit of soap and shake gently for only 2 minutes. And now we wait 30 minutes. Oh goodness. Okay, Dega, let's go see what we've got. Oh, some really beautiful goose. Let's strain out the solids for the strawberries. Now we can carefully add some ice-cold isopropyl alcohol to the tops of each solution. Do you see this white stuff collecting in the beakers? That's the DNA. So what happened here? Shaking up the wheat germ and mashing up the strawberries allowed us to expose more plant cells to the soapy water, which allowed us to break apart those cell membranes. Kind of like how the dish soap breaks apart our grease on our dishes at home. DNA is very long and incredibly thin. The average human has enough DNA in their body to stretch between the Earth and the Moon 530 times. That's 265 lunar missions. This is all loosey-goosey, with lots of long DNA strands stacked on top of each other, allowing us to see it without the help of a microscope. But if you were going to look at it really closely, you would see a structure like this. This double helix structure model shows us what a double strand of DNA looks like on the microscopic level. There are lots of little tiny pieces that make up this DNA, and we're going to explore those more in the future. Thank you for watching this episode of SciSparks, where we explore the hidden connection between all living things, including plants, my dog, and you. I think Dega agrees that this was a pretty sweet treat. If you'd like to do this DNA extraction experiment at home or make these PB&J DNA dog treats, check the description box below for all of the info. To catch new episodes of SciSparks as they're released, subscribe to McWane Science Center's YouTube page or visit us at mcwane.org. Bye!